actually taken your advice. You were saying that all the places that you've been, you never took time to really see the sky.
And I said, I wish I had enjoyed it more.
Yes.
And you had tears in your eyes.
Well,
I wish I had enjoyed it more too.
Yes.
So now you are enjoying
all right.
it.
This just frustrating. This would last, if no one were here, this would last another hour in my hands, and then it would go right out against the wall. I'd smash it and make sure it died. That out the window. Somebody may pick it up and get mad at me about my house. Oh my gosh.
It should be easy, right?
See the concept.
What I know for sure.
You good?
3 things you know for sure.
Ooh, I should have been prepared for this.
I'll settle for one.
Okay.
I'm flexible.
Okay. The one thing I know for sure is that
Excuse me.
everybody's life matters. My life shifted when I began to see that, oh gee, I'm just not on television. I can actually use television as a service. When you can see whatever it is you have to offer the world, it shifts. It has more meaning for you and the world.
What don't you know for sure that you
How am I?
Now see, that's one of the
Correct.
Barbara Walters
How am I?
questions. I don't know what the future holds. And I'm not really sure I want to know.
Should we run over to Beano's tomorrow morning?
what's on your bucket list?
Tomorrow morning? No, I'll just go over there and I would get the other brand and then bring them back to you and have them try that. I think you'll need to go, you're probably gonna have to get some kind of contact.
That's not really what happened.
Connecticut, I mean, you can see if your eyes, with these other ones, if your eyes stay really clear and moist and nice, then, you might get away with it, okay? Cause it freezes, it's almost 100% oxygen,